am Deepa. It has been 1 month joining basic in computer, tally and advanced Excel in Cadmus Malleshwaram. I am going to give a quick access about PowerPoint. First, we have to know what is PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is an application software written and distributed of Microsoft for Microsoft Windows and Macros. PowerPoint presentation is also known as Perfect Plan Presentation. It is used by employees for corporates and as well as students for colleges and schools. I am going to show how to use the tools in PowerPoint. First of all, in File we have New. To open a new folder, in Open we can open a file. In Save we can save the file. In Share we can share the file. In Email as well as in Online. In Export we can export into a video as well as PDF. In Home we have New Slide. If you want to insert a new slide, you can insert from here. In Insert you can insert new slide, you can insert tables. From using pictures you can insert pictures, as well as from online also you can insert pictures. You can take screenshots, you can use different types of shapes. And you can even use smart art. And if you need any charts in your presentation, you can add up charts. In text box we can type something. You can use header. Header is the text which is going to appear on top of the page, and footer is the text which is going to appear on the bottom of the page. You can even use word art and insert date and time. You can even use slide number, object, equation, symbol. You can insert video, audio, as well as you can make screen recording. In designs you can choose the themes, slide size, and you can change the background. In transitions you can choose what type of transitions you need. There are many different types of transitions. In animations you can choose which type of animation you need for the object. In slideshow you can choose start from beginning or from current slide. You can even set up slideshow. You can record the slideshow. In review you can check the spelling and you can translate the language. In view you can change the mode of reading view. You can even use black and white, grayscale. You can open a new window and use both the windows simultaneously. To do a professional presentation, you must use bullet points and don't use background colors dark. You use simple colors for presentation. My trainer Ashya ma'am is very supportive and friendly in teaching, and she is clearing all my doubts. I suggest Cadmus Malleshwaram for this coaching.